Mowing, especially high or wet grass with a lawnmower flap down, will bog down the engine and make it stall. For years I mowed with the flap open and I got the scars to prove it. Then one day I had an epiphany and mowing has never been the same. Introducing the Mow Flap, the scar-free way to mow your lawn. The Mow Flap features a bracket that'll keep your flap open, and its fully adjustable spring-loaded clamps makes installation and removal a snap. And with the flap bracket being fully adjustable, and plus the flap itself is also adjustable, it'll fit any mower on the market. And as an added bonus, the Mow Flap comes with a free wire basket and liner so that you can carry small garden tools or what have you while you mow. So why put up with a bogged down engine with the flap closed or scars with the flap open? Get your Mow Flap today. The Mow Flap is a great value at only $19.95, but wait! Call in the next 30 minutes, we'll throw in a free extra flap. Just pay extra shipping and processing. Call now.